Good morning, everybody. Today is July 15th, and today I'm off to the Stillwater Correctional Facility to do something with a coworker, something I've been doing for a while. She's getting married today, so Spider Boy and I are getting up at way too early o'clock in the morning, and we're going to head out to Taylor's Falls, and we're going to take that route to Stillwater, or it's somewhere near Stillwater anyway. I don't want to drive through the city because I'm not quite ready yet. Still 10 days away from my behind the wheel. Should be a good day. After we're done there, we're going to make a full day in Stillwater and Taylor's Falls, so should be fun to look forward to.
Oh, it's too early in the morning for this crap.
Stopped in beautiful Taylor's Falls, Minnesota. And this is definitely a gorgeous town. It reminds me a lot of Duluth with the hill and the fog this morning. Had to stop at the gas station here. It's a Casey's General Store. And I got some breakfast. Well, kind of breakfast. I'm assuming mac and cheese bites and then some kind of breakfast pizza stuff. Ben had to get some batteries for his little FM transmitter so we can listen to our phones. Yeah. There's so much rock that it's hard to get a radio signal out here from back home.
It's not even that. There's just so much raw nature.
The nature.
The nature's too strong.
It's too much.
I don't want to touch my engine block because I know it's going to be hot AF.
Why? Why? Yeah, there's a reason left these in here.
Probably. Aren't you just happy that I leave these things? These nice leather gloves.
There we go. Oh my.
That's some hot oil. About to add some cold oil to hot oil.
It's fine. You know where the button is, right?
Unless it moved on me.
I don't think so.
You like making videos of yourself, don't you?
Someone's got it.
Alright?
It's not like I'm famous enough to have the paparazzi do it for me.
Fair.
So something we're gonna have to try sometime when we're on a road trip is engine block grilled cheese.
You know, if we get a pan for it, yeah.
No, you wrap it in foil and you just set it right on your engine block. Close the hood.
Fair
Car
enough.
doesn't even have to be on, just previously running.
I'm down to try. Whatever works, man.
We're at the correctional facility. It took a little bit to find the proper entrance. We had to go around the
Block twice.
yeah, around the block like 1.5 times. Beat Lisa and Cassie here by like 20 minutes. Don't be late. We got here early, and they took a more direct route.
So Zach, I know you don't probably want me to be that guy, but I saw something interesting, so I'm gonna just borrow your GoPro for a second. So, some context. I was just looking out the window of the car, and there is a turkey walking in the parking lot next to a car. And if I get chased by a turkey, I get chased by a turkey. I don't remember, can turkeys fly? That's cool.
So I signed a bunch of papers today.
Yeah, basically. Well, that's the second wedding that I've signed as witness for in July.
Jesus.
The first one was Joan Page's. That was on the first. What are you looking for?
Charge cord.
Oh,
Grab the wrong one.
Yep,
Oops.
it's the carbon fibery one. You know that.
I'm sorry. It's the heat, man. It's getting to me.
I know,
need to
right?
stand next to a bunch of water.
It is. I don't even know what degrees
It's like
it is.
92 over here, I think.
It's 63 with like a high of 80. It's supposed to get up to 90 today.
Oh.
Okay. So anyway, I finished up at the prison. visited for a while. Had actually a pretty good conversation with Lisa's now husband, I suppose. It was pretty cool. It was a lot different than what I thought it would be. I figured it would be like a big, dark stainless steel room with a stainless steel table like in the movies and TV shows, but
Come on. That's prison bias. Come on.
I have no idea. I've never been to a prison. Hell, I've never even been in a jail.
Fair enough. We should get a tour of the St. Cloud Correctional Facility.
That would be cool.
Yeah,
That'd be a neat day thing.
Big ass granite wall. That'd be cool.
So now we're gonna head off to this waterfall by Stillwater. It's called the Fairy Falls. I'm gonna meet Lisa and Cassie there. Get some pretty cool footage there, hopefully. Oh, you'll get over it. Oh God, nature!
We have to walk up this. You do realize that, right?
It's good for you. Honestly, I'm winded going down.
I knew I should have worn my hiking boots today.
That's why I wear my work shoes all the time.
My work shoes are destroyed. Found it.
Hey, so if I roll the D20 and fully heal and jump off, do you think I'll survive?
Make sure you roll for initiative.
I will roll for initiative. I'll get that nat 20.
So the way down is to go up and around and down.
Wrong. I don't think there is a way down.
Yeah, there is, because that's obviously a walking path.
You never know. That could be naturally formed bullshit.
No. So we're gonna have to go back up the bridge and then go that way.
Here, bottle cap for your collection.
Yeah! Grapefruit shandy.
Are you going in? Hell yeah.
He's going across, yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, if you die, I can't get home.
Where's the ferry?
Ben, you know what I forgot? My camera, my white camera. That's okay, phone takes good pictures. I dare say phone takes better pictures than the camera. Eat it!
Look at my hand, bro.
No, leave it be. Swear to God, if you take a bite of that, do not.
I don't even know what kind it is.
Yeah.
I'd have to ask Kobe. Jacoby knows all of the mushrooms.
I know, Kobe's a mushroom expert.
He's a shroomologist.
Oh, hell no.
Hell yeah. Hold my shoes.
No, man.
I'll walk down there.
I'll walk down there too.
No way, man. You're gonna fall.
Up yours.
Just saying. For your safety and mine.
I'm just going after you, so we'll both die.
Are you gonna climb back up?
Maybe.
No, you're not.
The hell I
Here,
won't.
just-
Give a funk.
So there's this fat guy climbing down this wall here with these ropes that are just very gingerly tied to a freaking tree. I'm gonna drop his GoPro for him so that he knows that this was a mistake. You give up yet?
No.
You. Oh my God. How about now, Juan Sanchez, climber of the mountain?
No, I have to go down there.
He's gonna die. And I can do nothing about it because I am too scared to climb down.
I don't think I can do it.
Yeah, I wouldn't. He'll get a nice video for you once I drop this on his head. Buddy. Why? Why would you do this? No, he got down. I don't know how we're gonna do giving him the GoPro. All the way down. Next to the tree. Bye, Zach, they said.
Well, you'll be reading my obituary on Monday.
You lost what's good for your health, right?
I don't think so.
I went in from where I was, and I got like whacked with a bunch of stinging nettles. So it's like, this.
Yeah, I'm sure my arms and legs are gonna be hurting tomorrow. It's okay if I get the shorter shift tomorrow. I think I'm only 11 to 4.
Thank God I have the next 3 days off because I'm never going outside again.
Now I can see why Lisa doesn't like the outside. Hey, it was just that ledge there at the bottom with that foothold to the left. I couldn't get up. Finally, I realized that I could use my arm to push against the rock and get up that way. But
I'm glad you got up
yes,
and out.
so am I.
I didn't want to have to like summon a search party for you.
Well, I was thinking about it. It's like, there's hospital bills for an ambulance. I wonder if they charge you for having to have the search and rescue come out for you. And I'm like, I don't really want to pay that fee, so I'm going to figure out how to get out of this myself.
No, I was gone, man. It's like I walked out and somebody was walking by and it's like, hey, quick question, are you from around here? And they're like, yeah. And I asked, does the River Creek Waterfall go all the way down? And they're like, yeah, it should come out by the road. It's like, all right, cool. Zach, good luck.
Oh, man. I'm not done with this day yet.
Neither am I, but
I'm not going to do that again.
no more trails.
Okay. We made it back to Stillwater. We had to run back to Taylor Falls and then up into St. Croix Falls so that I could get myself some shorts and a pair of sandal things, which don't fit very well, but it's better than not having shoes at all. And we're gonna head off to Leo's here, 1950s, 40s, 50s style diner. Got really good food. My mom and I go there every time we get to, or we come to Stillwater.
Pulp Fiction is this Quentin Tarantino movie, which is like really violent, but also really calm and casual and collected. Mostly just conversation. Nothing's really going on. Okay. So this guy was told to take his boss's wife out to dinner, and they go to this weird like diner location where you sit in cars at the diner.
Okay.
It's really cool.
Oh, car hop one.
Yeah, pretty much. So she orders a $5 shake. And he's like, God damn, it better be really good if it's $5. It's like, so she gets it, and she's like, big ass shake, and he's like, I gotta know what a $5 shake tastes like. And he takes a sip, and he's like, I don't know if it's worth $5, but that's a damn good shake. Hello.
There you go.
Thank you very much. Man, that's my $5 shake, bro.
Oh, I gotta know what $5 shake tastes like.
No.
What do you mean no?
Just no.
You know what?
Everything. No existence. No life.
Finished
No
up at Leo's. It was okay. The burger was a little dry. Ben feels like he's gonna die now. What is existence?
It was a thick Reuben, that's what's existence.
Yeah, that toast was really, really thick on that sandwich. I want some ice cream. Ben had a $5 shake here. And for $5, was it a good shake?
I mean, I'd say it was pretty good. Not the best in the world, but you know.
You've had worse.
Hey, yeah, a Hardee's shake.
I was just gonna say, you've had worse. You've had Hardee's. We're gonna head back to Taylor's Falls. I'm gonna get some ice cream there, probably at the little ice cream shop. and then probably home because it's really hot and we're both tired. My arms and legs are both really sore from climbing back up that rock ledge.
I gotta take like a 3-hour nap so
8
that I can.
consecutive naps.
Yeah, I gotta take it if we get home, or when we get home. Hey, I don't know.
Have a little faith in Stacy, man.
Well, I'm not worried about Stacy. I'm more worried about one of us passing out at the wheel.
As long as I have music, I'm not gonna pass out. It's just the silence that gets to me.
Yeah.
I decided against getting ice cream in Taylor's Falls. There weren't very many parking spots open, and since I don't have any experience parallel parking yet, I decided that I wasn't going to risk damaging either my car or, worse, somebody else's. I decided to stop at Dairy Queen and get myself some ice cream because I did still want ice cream, and Ben had that shake at Leo's. I got a mint cheesecake blizzard with extra cheesecake on it. This is my new favorite since they no longer carry cream to mint sauce. I have to go with a mint cheesecake blizzard. I'm gonna enjoy this. It's pretty hot here in town, although it's clouded over. It's not quite as hot as it was earlier today. I'm hoping that there's gonna be some rain tonight. Ben checked the forecast and said that the rain is a couple days out. By Thursday we're gonna have some rain, but I'll be in Sauk Center then.